Others may be tall, but it's tallest of all. We are at the top, and this is India's call. With all due respect, and the place is perfect. Our Iron Man stands simply huge and erect, filled with all purity, pride of Indian community, matchless in the world, lovely statue of unity. Of all groups and age, let's together pay homage, who united all fragments on the single Indian stage. While watching from the top, only blessings he will drop, how pleased he will look at the sight of green crop, at the sight of green crop. If you like this poem, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it to as many people as possible. Thanks a lot.